Hey guys, it's your favorite teen vegan chef, Shyla Chef. And this video is going to be so exciting because I am giving a huge shout out to Chef Wheeler who sent me this seasoning. It's a Marsala seasoning, an Indian seasoning, and I love Indian. He's so nice, isn't he? So I'm going to be making a very special recipe with the seasonings, but I'm very particular with my seasonings because I make my own seasonings, so I have to see if it passed the Shyla Chef test. And I'm going to be making vegan chicken masala with garlic butter vegetables and a hint of rosemary. Let's get started. Okay, the food is ready and it looks so scrumptious. That's not a word, but I'm so ready to try this and it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna see if the seasoning passed the Shyla Chef test. All right, let's cut through here. It's so good. I don't even know if I could talk right now, but I will. Because it's really good. It's so authentic, and I can taste the spice, which I love. And it just tastes so good with like the vegetables and the vegan meat and the noodles. You passed the test. Like, you passed the test. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's probably a 25, you know. But it's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything. And thank you, Chef Wheeler, for the seasonings. You topped it. It was amazing and it was off the chain. I love your seasonings. And thank you so much for watching and please subscribe. Bye!